Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll share you unboxing and first look of a new, what I would say is a Sebenza homage, or one of the Land 910 series of knives, and it is made by a new company or new brand name. It's really hard to pronounce. Hwzbben, something like that. The website does not function, so yeah, but definitely they they started with a nice presentation, but didn't go nowhere. So inside we have a standard hard cardboard box. We are getting a small fiber cardboard cloth, branded piece of foam, and a sturdy nylon type of bag. So inside is the knife itself. As you can see here, it was oiled up just a little bit around the pivot area, probably because of the bearings, but let me clean it a little bit and I'm right back. Okay, so firstly let's talk about the heritage. Of course, this is one of the well-known homages or copies of the Hwzbben Sebenza, a large Sebenza to be more specific. I have shared my opinions on the Land 910 in a video a couple of years ago. Currently I do not own any of those knives, so I cannot compare them side by side, but I was really surprised that when I found the Micarta version. So before that, only full stainless steel and G10 variants were available, and now with this brand we have also three types of Micarta, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let's talk about the specification really quickly. So we have a over length of 20 centimeters or 7.9 inches. The blade is 8.5 centimeters or 3.3 inches long. The blade width is 2.8 centimeters or 1.1 inch. The thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. The handle is 11.5 centimeters or 4.5 inches long with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. The construction on this one, we have stainless steel liners, which are full not nested, D2 satin finish, nice drop point with a nice accented blue thumb studs. You have milled out pocket for the pocket clip, which is your standard Sebenza looking pocket clip right here. I would like to have a deep carry one, but yeah, this is a heavy homage to a Sebenza, so they went with the band style pocket clip. So the liners are nicely skeletonized. You can see definitely large pockets milled out for weight reduction, of course. Lock is a really nice liner lock. The opening is really nice and smooth. Pivot assembly, it rides on ball bearings, of course. This is a left or right-handed carry option, so my left-handed users, friends right out there, you will be pleased that this is something you can have and swap the pocket clip. Okay, so the weight comes in 114 grams or 4 ounces, so definitely really nice and lightweight. And like I mentioned, you can choose from green, olive drab, and brown micarta. There is also a full titanium version, which the previous Land 910 Plus models did not have, but the pricings will be more than on these micarta versions. These go for around $33.99. I will put a link down below where I did found the knife. Not that many resellers on AliExpress do carry this knife, so I had to convince him to send it to me, because there was only a few limited countries who would he would send the knife to. So yeah, so it is what it is. Let's talk about the Micarta really quickly. So we have a canvas, brown canvas style, which is polished, so it is smooth. You can definitely see the rough edges around the corners. So this will probably retain the color more than if this were a blasted or natural styled micarta, like some other knives that I will show you in a minute. Also, you have a lanyard tube right there for your lanyard needs, and it is a full open stand of construction, so you can blow out dirt and grime, whatever anything does accumulate inside. Okay, so now let's talk about the differences with the Sabenza. So I have the 31 large here on the table. Also, if you know, the original Land 9010 was made by San Renmu, and here is the first model they introduced, the 710, which is the small one. I still have it. This is, I don't know how many years ago, old now, maybe more than 10. So here's the size comparisons between these two. So definitely it is not a full size large Sabenza, a little bit smaller. And of course the Sabenza is a frame lock construction, but you can see the influences and some similarities right there. Okay, so let us continue with a few other knives for size comparisons. I brought out a wide range of micarta knives that I have. Firstly, let's continue with the Elementum and the Penguin. This is from QSP and this is from CVV. Both of them are using a micarta type canvas style. You can see here this is just a natural blasted one. This is also. Then here is the Kaiser Begleiter 2 with a linen micarta. The large feldspar from CGRB with the linen, burlap style micarta from Knife Center exclusive. The 949 Warrior from Petrified Fish. The Gunnet from QSP. The Bruiser from Two Knives. Paramilitary 2 in micarta from Spyderco. Here's my clone bug out, Benchmade bug out with micarta scales. Currently only available from China, so if you want to know more, then check out my video on this one. Okay, let's continue with some more knives. So here is the Kaiser Pinch, the red model 2. Small grip Trillium from Benchmade. $940 from Benchmade. Spyderco Delica. red model 1 in canvas micarta from Knife Center, also exclusive model from them. Kershaw leak, Bucksprint Pro with burlap micarta, Burker Plus Bonfire, also with canvas micarta scales. Here is a peanut from case, sorry, peanut from Rough Rider, a Texas toothpick from Buck, and 956 from Free Tiger or Tuna Fire, which are almost the same in size. And if you want a really nice micarta D10 flipper with D2 blade around under $30, then this is something for you. So definitely a little bit cheaper than the Hwzbben, a military tactical knife, so which doesn't have a name, but maybe in the future it will have. So overall, I can say I'm really happy that I find this one. This is definitely a beautiful homage to a Sabenza. Not everybody can afford or are willing to spend that much money on a Sabenza, and if you want a micarta version, then this is something that is finally available. I hope they will still soon be available, maybe under different brand names, maybe with different pricings, but currently I will put the link down below if you like, you can check them out. But currently it's available only from this brand, which has some kind of octopus, or I don't know, or what is it. So let's also check the sharpness. I forgot, I always forget. So really nice and sharp out of the box. And lastly, let's see the pocket profile. So definitely it will go inside without any problems. There will be a little bit friction, but since the handles are smooth, definitely it will not damage your pockets in a long run if you're using this as your everyday carry knife. So this is how much it will stick out. The lock is really nice, so no blade play whatsoever. This is always good to see, and beautifully smooth and really great action out of the box. Nothing was done to this knife, so I try to give you that experience that I had when I unboxed it. Perfect centering. Okay, so this was the Hwzbben military tactical knife, a Land 910 Plus Sanrenmu variant. Probably not made by them. Who knows? Maybe these. I checked the screws and the positions, and they add up, but they definitely are not standing behind this knife with their brand name. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's a different factory, or somebody did order this version for them. So it is what it is. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. Do not miss any future video. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but also other stuff regarding my hobbies. So I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon.